Okay, I put the camera fixed to avoid looking like a complete moron. Damn, I have 11 kilometers in range. I need to go fuel up now. Let's follow me to the gas station. And for the backseat passengers, anyway, damn. I also realized that I don't dare to. Anyway, I realized that once I sat down in the rear seat, the rear moonroof opened up. So that must be my default setting. I have 11 kilometers in range. Ten kilometers in range. Air conditioning is off. Jesus Christ. Dogs, pedestrians, everything. I just want to go fuel up. You know what? I'm gonna take another way to the gas station. Ah, it's not in sport mode. I want to have like a physical gas needle. I don't really trust this. It's on 0. 9 kilometers. Can you stop for me, please? Thank you very much. I mean, what? Just you push the gas pedal. I think it will half the range. I want to sit higher up. Is that not possible? That's the old classic 500 SL. The non-facelift. I would like to have a 600 SL non-facelift. It's something with the V12. It's just like unnecessary. Welcome over. Yes. Did I get a smile or not? Range 8 kilometers. Well. Manual gearbox. Manual mode selected. And I can't believe you don't have TV on this one. No digital TV. I mean, how could I be able to make it without a digital TV? I mean, it's a perfect morning routine. Listening to morning TV during commute in the city. When you stop, you can look on the morning TV and then you listen to it. kind of like all the pedestrians walking over, you get the chance to launch it. I mean, just going in a straight line at 20 kilometers per hour, who thought that could be fun? However, it's a lot of grip. It's oh, that's an XKR. It's F-spot. Oops, and here's the police. Let's behave. Yeah, they didn't care. You blend in, straight in. Oh, too close. Rear sunshade. Six kilometers range, and I think I have it on the right side. And I had to fuel 98. Ooh, this is gonna be cheap. So can we go straight ahead? Yes. I don't want to. Yeah, the guy behind doesn't understand that you block, because cars want to go from that direction up there. Anyway, no car there. So let's go. See the night vision? That's pretty cool. Taking a few times to wake up. And it's hot. It's the D5 quad exhaust. That exhaust seems hot. See? Can't believe my range is 5. I do not want to be stuck here. Come on. Everybody drives so slow in the city when you drive this car. Just get a clear line of and the pedestrian. 3 pedestrians actually. Great. Great. Five series. That the one looks clean. Or no, it's a 7 series. It was a 7 series. It was a clean 7 series. We need to park next to it later on. Anyway, now we need to fuel. Range 4 kilometers. Well done. Yeah, I don't want to press stop. I press stop on this one instead. Okay, time to fuel up.